Well, you know, it's a 1923. Type M. The tag on it is McCormick Deering. The decal is McCormick Deering. This wasn't an international. The decals are different. The nameplate is different also. So, made by the same company. Different time period, they say. We're just waiting on a little paint to dry here and there. Then we go ahead and finish this up. And get on a cart also. There goes that airplane. Have to make a fuel line, 3/8 copper, 1/4 inch on the suction side. And the need has arose that, and I got this stuff right here. David, up there in Wheatfield. David from up there in Wheatfield handed this off to me to give a test of it. It's blue layout dye. It's a SP603. I've never used it. It's a brand new can right there. I've had it going on a year now. So, I'm not sure what's blue. But the part that is to be made today is I need 2 of these. That's a spacer for Bosch Magneto on a Type M 1.5 horsepower McCormick Deering with Bosch Magneto. Spaces your magneto up to align the right degrees of timing. So I need 2 to go with them 2 magnetos, and I have another Bosch in Q, so I need 1 magneto which has a spark, plus I need a spacer to go. So today's project, now I'll tell you what I'm going to do. We'll see it right here. I think this is the ideal situation to use layout. Well, it's just 1/4 inch thick aluminum that I think that was a remnant I got over at the scrapyard. So I just washed it off there with that lacquer thinner. It's mill finish, and you know, it's just probably what's 1/4 inch thick, 250 thousandths, which is what this spacer is here. It's identical to it, and I've done used it for something else, so I think it's the perfect use of that piece of material. That would mean that I've got at least three parts out of this one piece of. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on this cardboard here, and I'm going to spray that piece of aluminum. This is the cleaner side. I'm going to spray that down there with this. That's that spray on layout dye stuff. It's supposed to be blue. Well, yeah, that's about the best dye job I've ever did. I have another can over there of old stock. I have a can of Chesterton, number 371, which is a quite good layout fluid. And this to switch over to this is just well, it looks pretty good so far. I'm gonna let that's what it looks like right there. So I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll put this on here and scratch this around through there with scribe line, and we'll saw it out, and we'll go on that belt sander and size it up around the edges, and then we'll sandwich them together and go over and drill some holes in them. Yeah. I hear that race car over on the back road over there. It's got some loud pipes on it at any rate. Okay, see, I put a lot of that stuff on there. It's still not dry. Well, today's what I'm you know what I'm doing today is I'm gonna put this over here to dry, and because I have to focus on some fuel pumps. So see, I'm not sure about. Oh, okay. I have something else. I have see there's some liquid down in the bottom of that hole down there. I have something. It's these little things right here, and I haven't said much about them. It's these little things. It's a little ball of cotton on a stick. Old Hold Up sent me these right here. He done already got them over to Northern Tools. Somehow or another, the note that came along with it, the way I deciphered it was, at this point, you have to ask for them at Northern Tools. And the reason I make a point of that is I have to get that little swab of liquid out of the bottom of that down there without going to the trouble of a high pressure air hose to disrupt whatever I want to see. So, and it's a perfect use for this. It's the right length, it's the right size. So here, this is what it is. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, see it, yeah, it did. It soaked up. I can tell it already. It soaked up and I can't see it down in the bottom. So I'm putting it back down in there again to observe. It got some thick stuff out of there too. Okay, without any more ado, I'm going to stick it down in that other hole there. See, it's wet now, so it absorbed something out of that one also. Okay, and there's nothing in the bottom down there. So, well, that's really poor. I believe I believe the check ball is stuck in this, and I think it's a bronze one. We'll have to get that out of there. This one here don't have a check valve in it, and the seat is in poor condition. So that's okay. And one here the one that came on the engine is this one. And to bring you up to date on it, if you look down in there, the front one right there, fairly good. But the back one, it has, I guess they were, actually it looks like they were air pockets in the metal, and when they machined it, they come visible and air can seep around them. So I should focus on this one or this one. So, yeah, that'll be a project for today.